Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the briefing on Friday, the 22nd of September. It's starting to feel a bit chilly in the morning. So, autumn's on the way, and looking at these charts, it really confirms it. This is today at midday. Over us, you can see weak frontal systems, and they are just weak features or bits of rain on them by the looks of it. And you'll see that on the satellite picture. And a light westerly, northwesterly airflow, not particularly strong. Just watching this one out here, by the looks of it, winding itself up for some point next week. But for the next couple of days, looks like there's a potential ridge of high pressure. You look on Saturday, that ridge is sat over us, and then Sunday, this is beginning to head our way. The winds start to swing a bit more southwesterly, pick up. So today, you've got to read into this a little bit, I think, with other data to really pick up the key points. Just like westerly, 278 knots, some early mist and fog, low cloud, few at 3,000 feet. Yeah, there will be cumulus soaring during late morning and afternoon, and the various elements of showers. They're saying between 1 and 4 showers and rain, and a 30% probability of sort of till 4 o'clock more showers and rain. Partly to do with the weak frontal system, but also it's very unstable air mass, as you'll see from the ascent. Upper winds 280, 290, 20 knots down in the channel, 10 knots, 15 knots, middle of the country, so split the difference, so 15 knots, but westerly pretty much at the flying heights. And real-time sat pic, this is sort of cloud out to the west, and probably that weak frontal system, occluded front, that they were showing bits and pieces of rain on it. The stuff over Wales won't tend to get here. I think it'll slowly creep our way, but over us, pretty clear. Temperature wise, that's late afternoon. You can start to see the temperatures go down. So I think 17s over us till sort of 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then going down from that really. And dew points, they're currently fairly low. They're around the sort of 5s mark. They'll go up a little bit as you get sort of rain and showers perhaps later on. The sounding picks out. Let's just look at 12, 1 o'clock. Soaring potential here. You can see where they're getting 3,000 feet from, with sort of 17 degrees. Dew points, they're about 7, then yeah, 4,000 feet above sea level, but potential for a lot of instability up through here, and large amounts of cloud, and that's probably where they're getting the showers developing. And the same again later on. There isn't an inversion here at all now to stop the development. So I think this afternoon, yes, definite risk of showers mixed in with the frontal system, and Top Meteo picks that out quite well. There's the cloud and the front out to the west. When you start to play it through, we get cumulus towards us by 11 to 12 o'clock. Quite nice. That's sort of suggesting 4 to 6 eighths rather than a few, with elements of spread out. And then as the afternoon goes on, it starts to pick out showers developing at sort of 2, 3 o'clock. By 4 o'clock, it looks quite showery. Thermal heights, and that picks out also the rain. So soarable probably by between 11 and 12,000, 1,200 meters around Lasham, going up to, it says here, 1,400 meters. So 4,000 feet. And still got the showers out to the west of us. And then as we go on through the afternoon, 3 o'clock, more showers developing in the Lasham area. And it get quite showery by the afternoon, late afternoon. So, okay, folks, that gives you a flavour of the day, light winds, nice for most of the day, bit of soaring from midday onwards, but turning to showers later on. Okay, airspace wise, around Lasham, not really a lot, all quiet around here. Class D raw flight airspace. I think it's out of in and out of Bryce, but it might be Kemble. Doesn't actually say. But there's one from 11:30 to 12:27, and another one again from 1600 to 1705, and essentially it looks like lowered airspace around here and then our way out to the northwest. And down here, number 15, not going to affect anybody, but it's pyrotechnics at Wing Farm, late evening. Okay, that's about it. So fairly quiet on the airspace front. In terms of jet movements, as of 10 minutes ago, I hadn't seen any flight plans, so nothing known at the moment, but they may well spring something on us. Okay, folks, so we're on runway 27. We'll take a look at the grass as to whether we've got to boom the cables or we can run the trucks on the grass. I suspect it's going to be boom due to the amount of rain we've had. I'll see you out there. We can start getting the gliders out.